Where businesses have realised they've actually got to have a mobile way out to reach out to their customer base. They have to have a mobile channel. That's come about because ultimately messaging continues to grow and grow significantly. Consumers want to interact that way. All our surveys and other independent surveys show 80-90% of consumers actually want to have information on their mobile phones in real time. So that's led customers to start doing maybe alerts from a banking point of view, for airlines, putting out times around planes not taking off on time. But that's now going to have to develop into a much deeper relationship between the enterprise and the consumer base. So what we've done is we've pulled together a set of applications into an ecosystem underpinned by our global messaging that allows enterprises to interact on a much deeper level to give their customers overall a much richer experience. Well, messaging is a core part of the enterprise services, so all the applications that we have now are completely underpinned by SMS messaging. It's the only truly ubiquitous service on a global scale that people can readily use. So receiving information and sending information via SMS, you can guarantee that every consumer out there can interact that way. So that underpins everything that we're doing on the enterprise side. What will happen is that ultimately the type of applications that we're selling now, along with the messaging, will combine with our m-commerce applications. So you'll go from people not just wanting to interact in terms of understanding maybe from a loyalty point of view, how many points they have, what they're doing from a loyalty campaign perspective or mobile coupons. It'll come right the way around into them being able to interact in terms of purchasing on their mobile phones as well, so completing the overall experience. We've been working with one major brand company doing a loyalty campaign out in Asia Pacific for diapers and nappies. The way that's worked is the consumer would walk into the shop, would pick up the product, and that would be the loyalty campaign would be advertised as part of that product branding. They take the product home. Inside the product is a unique code. They text that code in along with the mother's name and the baby's name and details. And slowly but surely, they then build up more and more points as that loyalty campaign is registered. They buy more and more of the product. And then they can redeem points via a number of ways. They can actually have money put back onto their mobile bill, or they can actually receive paper-based coupons to go back into the store and shop on other products. The beauty for the enterprise is that they get information that's at a much deeper level of their customer base. They can maybe go out and be proactive with their marketing, so they could go out and say, well, we know it's baby's birthday, so for the 2 weeks either side of baby's birthday, we'll give you double loyalty points. They can do all kinds of clever interactive marketing, which provides a richer experience for the client.